What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create the trendy GTA filter on TikTok. But for this to work, we'll need two applications from the Play Store or the App Store. First, you'll need AI Mirror to create the effect. Then you'll need CapCut to create the final video. So, first of all, we'll open AI Mirror. You have to subscribe or apply for a trial. And I'll choose the Theft Gangsta filter. I'll choose a photo. I'll add a photo from the plus icon, then choose it. I'll leave the scale as it is, then draw. It'll do its magic and will give me a GTA style photo. Okay, now it's done. It gave me a couple of options. Let's say I like the first one better. The first one is best for me. I'll save it. Save. Then we'll go to TikTok. Search for GTA filter and choose a video that uses the filter where you have the option to use this template. So at the bottom, you'll say CapCut, try this template. Press it. Then press on use template in CapCut. That will open the CapCut application. I'll click on use template. Now you'll go to the Photos tab, the upper part of the screen, and choose the two photos first, the original one, and then the one I created with AI Mirror, and choose preview. It'll create the video for me based on the template. Add sound from TikTok, press on it. It'll export the video to TikTok. Then I can add a sound and a couple of effects and click next.
Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street, landed the heinous.
Then I have the option to add a description, then click on post.